JCW is located in one of the beautiful and important cities in northern China, Qingdao. At the end of 2023, we have moved into the new factory we purchased ourselves. Now we have a 5-floor factory building with an area of 3,300 square meters. Quality is our priority. JCW has its own product design and R&D team. Whether it is software development, code writing, hardware development, or engineering drawing, we're completed independently. The production team has rich experience and advanced technology. We have a total of 46 sets of various mechanical processing equipment. JCW is a professional wire harness equipment manufacturer and supplier integrating research and development, production and sales. From 2009 to now, we have developed from selling machines in the first 2 years to producing our own machines. Now we have a major, stable, and energetic team focusing on wire harness processing equipment and treating every customer sincerely. Customers from all over the world are welcome to visit us.